This video, we're going to look at the anatomy of the Excel page. This corresponds to the worksheet handed out in class last week entitled Navigating Excel Guided Notes. You'll notice that there's plenty of similarities between the layout of the Excel page and the Word page, especially in terms of the ribbon at the top of the page. Just like Word, the ribbon is a collection of tools and features divided into tabs like layout, insert, home, and all that. Above the ribbon, you'll find the quick access toolbar. This little command bar is designed to give you access to frequently used commands like save, undo, no matter where you are in the ribbon. A workbook is what we call an Excel file. Each workbook contains one or more worksheets, also known as spreadsheets. Workbook contains three worksheets by default, which you can navigate from the bottom of the screen. Every worksheet contains cells that are divided into columns and rows. The rows run from left to right and are identified by numbers. Columns run from top to the bottom and are identified by letters. Just above the worksheet is an area called the name box, which tells you the location or name of the cells that you've selected. If you click on the cell that intersects G and 4, G4 will appear in the name box. To the right of the name box is the formula bar where you can enter text, functions, or formulas for the cell that you've selected. When you type in the formula bar, whatever you type will appear in both the formula bar and the selected cell. In the bottom right-hand corner of your screen is the horizontal scroll bar that lets you scroll your worksheet from left to right so you can see more columns. Below that is the zoom control. Click the plus or minus to zoom in or out, or you can just drag the bar from left to right as well. You have the ability to change the way you view your worksheet by clicking on one of the three icons to the left of the zoom bar. Normal is selected by default. Page layout lets you view what your spreadsheet is going to look like when you print it out. And page break shows you an overview of what you're working on, which is helpful when using page breaks. And that is your overview of the anatomy of the Excel page.